In this video, I'm going to show you how to correct your name on your NIN with just your smartphone. So I want you to follow the steps I'm going to list in this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please use the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified whenever we drop any video on this channel. Now let's move on to our tutorial. The first thing you should know is that you should have a court affidavit ready. Now when you're applying for name correction on NIN, there are actually three categories you're looking at. It's either you just want to correct your name if there is an error, or you want to rearrange your name, or you want to apply for change of name based on marital status. Maybe you got married, you want to change your name. For the first one, you want to apply for name correction if there was an error. You need to get a court affidavit ready for that. Also, for name rearrangement, you also have a court affidavit ready. But for those that are going to do change of name based on their marital status, you should have a newspaper extract. So you should get a newspaper publication ready, and then you scan it and save it in your device. After you've gotten those things ready, the first thing to do is go to your Google and you type self-service modification.nimc.gov.ng, and then you click on enter. Now when you click on enter, you wait for it to load. This is the home page. Now you scroll down to where you have register. Scroll down to where you have register. Don't log in because you don't have an account yet. So you're going to create an account with them. When you click on register, you enter your name, that's your last name, you enter your first name, and then you enter your middle name with phone number. After you've inputted all those details, you click on next. Now this is a notification. It says kindly note that your face will be captured for further verification. So you should be prepared for the capturing. If you're inside the house, you need to stand in a place that the lighting is clear. Okay, then the background should be plain. It shouldn't be a background that has objects or other things. So just ensure that the background is very okay before they take the capturing. Click on continue. And this is the guideline for the capturing. Click on next. Enable the camera for the capturing. So just click on allow this time. Click on allow this time. Now position your face at the center of the camera. Okay. You input your email address again. Then choose a password. Just type your email address. You have to validate the email address too, because they will need to confirm your email. An OTP will be sent to your email. So after entering your details, you click on validate email. Make sure you choose a strong password for it. When you click on validate email, you go back to your mailbox and copy the OTP. Input the OTP, then you click on confirm OTP. Wait for it to load. So your email address has been confirmed. Click on next. Account successfully created. Now let's continue. Click on continue. You have to log in. Just input your email address and the password that you chose. Then click on login. Wait for it to load. Okay. Now you have to enter your NIN. Enter your NIN so that it will be validated. NIN validation is required. So enter your NIN here. and click on continue. You don't have to click on cancel. Click on submit to validate your NIN. So quickly click on submit, then you wait for it to load. Okay, NIN successfully validated. Click on go back and you have to log in again. So if your NIN validation fails, you'll not be able to access this portal. There is a tutorial on this channel. You have to go back and watch the tutorial on how to validate your NIN. So if you know that during this process you tried to validate your NIN on the NIMC website and it's showing failed, you don't have to try again. Just try just once. If it's showing that, go back to that tutorial and watch it. Then you come back to this tutorial. So quickly enter your email address and the password to log in. Click on login. Wait for it to load. Login successful. Proceed to validate face. So click on verify face. After you verified your face, this is the account. This is your profile. You can see your profile picture at the top and your name on it. Now these are all the modifications we'll be doing. There are 4 categories here: change of name, change of address, change of phone number, and change of date of birth. The prices are there. Now NIMC have also increased the price of all these modifications. Initially, date of birth correction wasn't up to this amount, so the prices has just been increased. So what we are looking for is just change of name. So you quickly click on change of name. The price is there. The amount you have to pay is 2030 naira. So just click on change of name, then you click on continue. Wait for it to load. Okay, now these are the instructions. So you just tick the box and then click on continue. So change of name can be done as many times as you want. Okay, you can change your name 3 times on this website, but once it is more than 3 times, you need to visit the NIMC office to correct your name again. But when it has to do with change of date of birth is just once in a lifetime. So if you're applying for change of name and you know that you still want to change it again, it is possible. But when it has to do with date of birth, it's just once in a lifetime. That is what the notification is saying. So just click on I understand. Now select option. There are 3 options here. So click on new payment here. Click on online payments. Okay, now there are different options for the payment. There are different options. Either you pay with card, USSD, internet banking, or the last option there. But what we are using is card. I would not advise you to use USSD or other options, so you can make payment with your card. So what you need to do is just bring out your ATM card and then you make payment with it. Just click on card. After you've entered your card details, click on pay. They're going to send an OTP to your phone. So you go back to your inbox and then you check for the OTP. Copy the OTP. Then you come back to this page. You input the OTP there. Then click on continue. Payment successful. After you've made payment, the page where we can actually make correction will be enabled. So this is the page. You can see your name here, your first name, your surname, and your middle name. So if you want to correct any of them, just go ahead and fill out the correct information. Now the document you have to upload is also below it. So like I said from the beginning of this tutorial, I said that there are 3 options for name correction: marriage, name corrections, name rearrangement. So you choose the one that is suitable for you. For each of this category, there are different documents you have to upload. So just click on the one you want. If you are applying for name correction, you have to upload a court affidavit. You can see it there. So if it is marriage, they require marriage certificate and also newspaper extract. Either of them, you can input it there. If it is name rearrangement, they also need a court affidavit for that. So just go ahead, input the correct one, and then you click on next. The next page that will come up is just a preview of it. So you carefully go through it before you click on submit. Once you submit it, they'll generate a tracking ID for you. You need to come back to this website after 3 days. When you come back to this website, you log in following the steps that are provided in this tutorial, and then you scroll down. The notification will be there. You're going to see a slip. The slip will show there, and the correct name will be there. So you just have to go and print it out in the cyber cafe. So that's the simple step to go about it. So now one thing you should know is that if you are using your phone to create this account on NIMC website, you cannot use any other device to log in. Anytime you want to log in. Now this is what happens. This is what happens if you use another device, either using another phone or his laptop that you use. It must be the same device that you use to sign up for this account. So you should take note of that. If you clear your data or you clear your information on your browser, you'll not be able to access it again. You have to go to NIMC office for them to do that for you. So you should take note of this. Each time you want to log in, use the device that you used to create the account, then you log in. If you have watched this tutorial from the beginning to the end, you should be able to correct your name. So with just 2013 error, you'll be able to correct your name without stress or without even going to queue up in the NIMC office. So if you have any challenges you encounter during this tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll also be dropping other tutorials on this channel. So this is just for name correction. We also drop for date of birth correction. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.